Hello everyone, welcome back to Logic Verify. Today we are going to understand an important system Verilog concept called RAND case. Now first understand this. A RAND case is basically a random case statement. It randomly selects one block of code from multiple options based on probability or weight. Let's see the syntax. Here, the weight are 1, 3 and 6. This means A has 10% chance, B has 30% chance and C has 60% chance to execute. So higher weight means higher probability of selection. Now the important question is, why do verification engineer use RAND case? Because in real hardware, every operation does not happen equally. For example, read operation may happen more frequently than reset operation. So in verification, we create a realistic traffic using RAND case. Here is the example. Here, read transaction will happen most of the time, write less, and reset very rarely. This helps in better testing of duty. Now some important interview points. First, if weight is 0, that branch will never execute. Here you can see the example. Only task B can execute here. Second, negative weight is illegal. And third, only one branch execute at a time. And finally, RAND case is not synthesizable. It is mainly used in test bench and verification environment. Now one common interview question. What is difference between case and RAND case? Normal case statement is deterministic, but RAND case is probabilistic and random. And this is why RAND case become very useful in constrained random verification. I hope now the concept of RAND case is clear. If you are learning VLSI, Verilog or System Verilog, UVM and verification concept, then subscribe to Logic Verify. Thanks for watching.